All right, so in this video, I want to solve this triangle. We are given some measurements of sides, and we're going to use that. Let us see what the question really asks us to find. Remember, though, that we're representing our answer correct to one decimal place, so we want to find RS. I will highlight RS here. It is this distance right here. There is nothing that I have for this triangle except 11.2, which means I can't focus on that triangle. But what I notice I can focus on is this larger right triangle. I definitely can use 11.2 and 14.8 to find the entire distance here. And after we have found this distance, then we decided what to do. So let us go and find RT in its entirety. Now remember that the side opposite to the 90 degrees is the longest. It is the hypotenuse. So I'll start my theory off by saying 14.8 square is equal to 11.2 square plus RT square. So with that said, what we can do quickly is, all right, so with that said, let's put that into action. So 14.8 square, that's going to give me 21.9. So this is 219.4. 11.2 square, that's going to give me 125.44. And we're going to have plus RT square. Remember, we're finding RT, so I'm going to subtract 125.44 from both sides so as to isolate the RT and to have it all alone. Now, when we have 219.04, if we subtract 125.44, we're going to be left with 93.6. This is RT square. Remember, though, in order to get rid of that square, we're going to have to take the square root. And if we did it on one side, we have to do it on the other side. So let us take the square root of 93.6. We're getting 9.6747. Remember, though, that I must represent my answer correct to one decimal place. So it's going to be 9.7. Remember, this is the digit in the spot. So I'm going to look next door. If the number next door is between 5 to 9, the spot goes up by 1. And that's what happened. Now, this is not the answer to the question. This distance is from here all the way to here. What is it? We did get some 9.7. So in order to find RS here, RS is simply to take RT and subtract ST. So it's 9.7. And I'm going to take away 6. So we're left with 3.7. This distance is 3.7 meters. So that's that. Now, the second part of this question is actually asking us to find the angle RTW. Let us highlight that angle RTW. So I'm going to highlight this. I want to find RTW. The angle is where the elbow is, so we're looking for this right here. Now let us think about it. I want to find this angle, but I have the opposite side to the angle, and I also have the hypotenuse side. So what we can do easily there is that we could employ the soccer tower and then choose the right one. So let us choose appropriately. Remember, so with this said, we are now able to choose. This is my opposite side to the angle, and I have the hypotenuse side. So it's going to be sine. So the sine of the acute angle, which is the angle that I'm in search of, is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse side. So the sine of this angle is 11.2 over 14.8. So basically, if I take the inverse of, so if I take the sine inverse of 11.2 over 14.8, it's going to give me that angle. So let us activate that. So it is a sine inverse, and we're referring to 11.2 divided by 14.8. And it's going to give me 49.17. So to one decimal place, this angle is 49.2 degrees. So this is 49.2 degrees. Thank you for watching DellyMaths Concepts. You could look out for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.